Respected Ankur sir and my dear friend, first of all, wonderful morning all of you.
Great morning, Tamanna.
Myself Tamanna from 8th ability and today I am here for mastering the concept and my topic is algebraic expression. Firstly, I will tell you constants. A symbol which have fixed numerical values is called constants. A symbol which have fixed numerical values is called constants. For example, 9, 8, etc. Then variable. A symbol which have no fixed value is called variable. Variable can represented by small letters of alphabets like X, Y, Z. Is called literal number. Variable. A symbol which have no fixed value is called variable. For example, X, Y, Z, etc. Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is a combination of constant and variables with fundamental operations addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Algebraic expression is a combination of fundamental operations addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For example, 9xy plus 3yz, etc. Then terms. A part of algebraic expression which are connected by plus and minus sign is called term. For example, 4xy plus 2x, etc. Like term. The part of algebraic expression which have same literals is known as like term. For example, 2x square plus 3x square, etc. Unlike term. The part of algebraic expression which have no same literals is called unlike term. For example, 9x plus 4y etc. Types of algebraic expression. First is monomial. The part of algebraic expression which contain one term is called monomial. For example, 5y square 4x square
etc.
Binomial.
Binomial.
The part of algebraic expression
The part of algebraic expression
which contain two terms
which contain two terms
is called binomial.
is called binomial.
For example,
For example,
4x square
4x square
plus 3y square,
plus 3y square,
etc.
etc.
Trinomial.
Trinomial.
The part of algebraic expression
The part of algebraic expression
which contain three terms
three terms
is called trinomial.
is called trinomial.
Example,
For example,
x square
x square
4x cube
4x cube
3y square,
3y square,
etc.
etc.
Quadrinomial.
Quadrinomial.
The part of
The part of
algebraic expression
algebraic expression
which contain
which contain
four terms is called quadrinomial.
is called quadrinomial.
For